Ito, sementado rito sa part na dito, oh. Ayun, oh. Parang may mga kumpa ng suso, oh.
1,000 times I've
Tawag sa
heard
amin,
it
paros-paros, eh.
as a
Alin?
shout of praise. Three little words sung with joy
Ito,
from
papuntang San
someone
Isidro.
so amazed.
Lapit na.
But every now and then I hear it from a broken heart of faith,
San Antonio.
spoken with a whisper as tears are wiped away. And it steals my breath to hear them say, God is good.